Exciting news, CIFD family. CFD Coin will soon be available on Coinstore, opening up fantastic opportunities in the CIFD ecosystem. Here's the step-by-step guide to kickstart your CFD Coin journey. To get started, go to Coinstore's homepage. If you're already a member, log in. Newcomers, click the Register button in the upper right corner to create an account. Don't forget to finish any verification procedures. Once you have logged in, go to the Trade menu in the top left corner. Click on it, and you will see two exciting options, Spot and Future. Select Spot to begin trading CFD Coin Spot. Now, let's find CFD Coin. Click the down arrow next to the current trading pair to open a search bar. Type CIFD to reveal the CFD/USD trading pair. It should be highlighted once you type it in. To view a tailored technical chart and trading box for CIFD/USD transactions, simply click on the CIFD/USD pair. You can also use the trading box to place orders to buy or sell the pair. It's time to choose your order type. A limit order allows you to set the buying/selling price, while a market order executes immediately at the current market rate. Make a wise decision for your crypto journey. If you choose a limit order, you must enter the price you are willing to pay for CFD coin in the price field. This is the maximum price you are willing to pay for the coin. Once you have entered the price, double-check your entry to ensure accuracy. Are you ready? Go ahead and click the Buy button to complete the purchase. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of CFD coin on Coinstore. Welcome to the lively CIFD community. Get ready to ride the crypto wave and explore the endless possibilities with CFD Coin. Buy CFD Coin to join the class of early investors in the AI-powered crypto world of CIFD. Follow us for more updates on CFD Coin. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.